Sierra, there's been a history of criminal activity and prosecutions of politicians at federal, state, and local levels, but never on a former or current president, which is why this case could be a defining moment in America's history.
The issue that President Trump is going through is exactly why there is a judicial system in place.
Well, the precedent is said is that no person, no elected official is above the law, and you must abide by the rules of the law. And if you don't, then what's happening to Trump will be happening to any elected official.
Barbie Baker, Nueces County Republican Party chair, and Renee Sines, the Nueces County Democratic Party chair, are both watching the case that could make history. Political analyst David Smith says Spiro Agnew, vice president for Richard Nixon, was the highest-ranking government official to be indicted. Agnew resigned in 1973.
Because he pled no contest to tax fraud and tax evasion charges.
Smith says a trial for former President Trump could look different than one for a member of the general public. He says Trump's lawyers could negotiate a surrender arrangement. This could allow him to appear virtually for court proceedings, whereas anyone else would have to appear in person. Smith says an interesting component would be the Secret Service, since former presidents must be protected.
Now, if he is fully criminally charged and indicted and prosecuted and sentenced, there may be a different story to remove the Secret Service protection.
CBS News is reporting Trump is not expected to be indicted by a Manhattan grand jury today, though it could come by the end of the week.
So a little bit's just a hurry up and wait kind of game.
Now, if the former president is indicted, the Secret Service would accompany Mr. Trump throughout the process of possibly surrendering and making an initial court appearance while trying to keep him out of public view. I'm Cordero McMurray, Chris, 6 Sunrise.